Hey guys, we are the triPhi group. My name is Brandon Bauman.
I'm David Knutson.
I'm NJ Shu.
Sean Cowan.
And I'm Adam Work.
Good fun.
Hey guys, my name is Brandon Bauman, and I'm going to be the first speaker today. First off, I'm just going to give a quick overview of our presentation. We're just going to talk about each of these subjects. First, we're going to touch on the background, which is just about our project, about our sponsor, and what we're doing. Then we're going to be going on to the features. We'll touch on the architecture of our actual software. We'll get into the user interface, and then we'll end it with some future directions, things that haven't been completely implemented but will be able to be worked on. And then we have a video demonstration of the triPhi application. And the next slide. So for the background, I'm just going to do a quick class overview of the computer science senior class project, just touch on the sponsor, and then we're going to get into the problem and solution about our project and go on to the next slide. So computer science senior class projects is a year-round project. We started in August and we're going to early May, so it's about a 9-month project. We've been working on it since the start. Right now in the class there's currently 10 projects with 49 students, so it's about 5 students a project. Some just other examples, since there's a wide variety of projects. There's the SIN, Sleep If Not Needed, which is an application for saving computer power by turning off computers not in use. And then Sketchcraft, which is an interactive drawing game. And there were some others, such as a satellite imaging program that just imaged the flight paths of satellites. Go on. This is our sponsor, as you guys know, is Connext. You have been the people who have provided us with the iPhone to play with and have sponsored our project. So much thanks to you guys. So getting on to our actual project, why are we doing this? What is the problem? And there are a couple. One is, where can I find a Wi-Fi hotspot and what kind of information can we gain from that? There are a lot of online repositories that have loads and loads of hotspots, but what does that mean to a user? Are they fast? Are they reliable? When was the last time someone actually used one? Also, when using your iPhone, 3G is not necessarily always faster. A lot of times, especially if you're in a heavily used area, Wi-Fi can be a lot faster than 3G. So when can it be good to unload off of 3G onto Wi-Fi? Another thing that was mentioned is in certain places like airports, our response said at some Japan hotspots, you actually have to pay to use them. And if you were looking around for a hotspot in your area, it'd be nice to know where you could go for free, or if you have like an AT&T account, you could find out where you can just go, since you've already paid for the account, to just connect to like an AT&T hotspot, for example. Our solution to this was interactive Wi-Fi hotspot mapping, which is just big words really for being able to search and show relevant hotspots that the user is interested in. This will be presented on a GUI-based map application, so it'll be shown on a map with spots representing hotspots, and it'll display all nearby hotspots, and they will not just be all hotspots, but based on what you've filtered, so provider, or if it's encrypted, the privacy setting. What's different about this, as I said before, as compared to some of the hotspot repositories out there, is ours is a dynamic Wi-Fi hotspot repository, in the sense that it's continually being updated. People can add new hotspots on there. This allows for a more reliable hotspot repository, since it is being continually updated, that we know that the information is more relevant than maybe a lot of these other hotspot databases. And then finally, I'm just going to go over a little bit of the requirements. For hardware and software, obviously we need the iPhone, using Mac OS X for programming, and then for programming directly for the iPhone, you use the iPhone SDK, and we should be supporting the iPhone operating system from 2.2 and higher. It'll be working for. Our server is on a VMware image that's easy to be deployed, a large image file, but it's pretty good right now. Functionally, some requirements. It needs to show the hotspots that are relevant and that you've searched for in your area. The UI should be pretty intuitive. You shouldn't take many clicks to get between any sort of page. And then it's also be able to upload hotspots and retrieve them based on what you want. And then lastly, we can get into performance, that it responds in a timely manner where you do not feel like you have to wait too long for it to open up, and that's being helped with the OS 3 right now. And then NJ is going to be talking about some of the features.